The Amazon rainforest is home to over 40,000 plant species, making it one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. These plants are not only beautiful, but also essential for life. Trees like the Brazil nut and rubber tree provide food and resources, while others offer powerful medicinal properties. The rainforest's dense vegetation helps regulate the global climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Many Amazon plants, like orchids and giant water lilies, are found nowhere else. Sadly, deforestation threatens this incredible biodiversity. Protecting Amazon plants means preserving the health of our planet for future generations.